Hi guys, it's Quagliardi here, founder of Quagliardi Pro Audio, and on this video I'll be showing you how the 576 FET compressor works. We'll be compressing some audios, we'll be tweaking some knobs, so let's get it started. As the name suggests, the 576 FET compressor uses a FET type transistor to control signal amplification, the same type of compressor found on the legendary UREI 1176, which has made a lasting impact on pro audio. However, in a market full of 1176 clones, we aimed to innovate. This hybrid design features custom input and output transformers, a 2520 style operational amplifier, and a mixed control for parallel compression. Additionally, the 576 includes sidechain filters that allow users to target high-frequency peaks, which are more harsh on human hearing. You can also link two 576 units for stereo detection and crush the dynamics with the boom feature, mimicking the all buttons in mode in the original 1176. Let's take a listen on how the 576 performs on a kick and a snare. We have chosen medium attack and release times. Let's crush the dynamics of the kick and snare drum with the boom feature, while blending it with the dry signal. We've changed the attack and release times to have a slow attack and a fast release to increase the pumping feeling. Let's see how the 576 performs on overheads. Just for you to know, we'll be compressing a lot. We reduced the input gain to have less compression. Now, let's check how the detector filters work. Let's try the compressor on vocals now.
Ya no creo en la línea que separa. Haz tu mano de la bestia que se envuelve en mi interior. Haz tu cuerpo que limita lo que soy. Entra a tu cuarto, dejé una huella y me escondí esperándote. Entra a tu cuarto, dejé una huella y me escondí esperándote. Si se altera el ritmo de tu corazón, en medianoche comienzas a jadear. Si roza tus labios un suave candor, es porque lejos te respiro yo. Ya no creo en dioses ni en fantasmas, solo creo en todo lo que me aproxime hacia vos, en lo que me dio un poco de tu calor. Entra a tu cuarto, dejé una huella y me escondí esperándote. Entra a tu cuarto, dejé una huella y me escondí esperándote.
Let's increase the compression even further.
Ya no creo en la línea que separa. Haz tu mano de la bestia que se envuelve en mi interior. Haz tu cuerpo que limita lo que soy. Entré a tu cuarto, dejé una huella y me escondí esperándote. Entré a tu cuarto, dejé una huella y me escondí esperándote. Si se altera el ritmo de tu corazón, en medianoche comienzas a jadear. Si rosa tus labios son suave candor.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video gave you an insight on what the 576 FET compressor can do. If you want me to perform extra demos, leave your ideas in the comments. Stay tuned for more.